Hello students, how are you? Students, now the CAT 2021 has been over and we are here for the analysis of CAT 2021 by which you can ensure the CAT selection in 2022. So again here we are on the platform of the CAT tutorials. We are going to discuss the complete analysis of the CAT 2021. So see what is the main point of this analysis. As we all know, the first topic is known as the basic information. So we know it very well. CAT 2021 exams were held successfully on November 28, 21 in 3 different slots having the duration of 2 hours. In each the CAT exam 2021, candidates got a pleasant surprise of reduction in the total number of questions from 76 to 766. Students in CAT 2022, in CAT 2020, we had 76 questions, but in the current exams, CAT 2021, we have only 66 questions. And apart from that, there was no change from the last year. So what is the meaning of this? The 3 slot timings for the CAT 2021 as follows. The first slot, known as the morning slot, the timing of that slot was from 8 a.m. to 10, from 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. The second slot is known as the slot 2, which is known as the afternoon slot. The timing of this slot was 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. The slot 3, known as the evening slot, the timing of this slot was 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. And again, again, all of you have to note this point. The sectional time limit was how much? The sectional time limit was 40 minutes. It means all students had to attempt each section within the limit of the 40 seconds. So students, this one is the basic information about the CAT 2021. Then after that, we are concentrating on the number of questions. Whenever we are talking about the number of questions, as we have already told you, in CAT 2021 question papers, we have only 66 questions. So if we have only 66 questions, then what are the bifurcation of these 66 questions? The first section, known as the verbal ability and reading comprehension, in short form BARC, had 24 questions, out of which 19 questions were MCQ type and 5 questions are non-MCQ type. So what is the meaning of non-MCQ type? So the meaning of this one is these questions are the theta type, and if these questions are the theta type, then there is no negative marking with the theta type. Yeah, you can see that the non-MCQ type. The section had the maximum questions from the RC. Okay, so in this section we have the maximum question from the RC, and again all of you can see that the section 1 had the maximum questions among the 66 questions. The section 2, data interpretation and logical reasoning, in short form DI and LR, had 20 questions from tables and chart, out of which 15 questions are MCQ type and 5 questions are the non-MCQ type. And again in section 3, known as the quantitative ability, in short form quant, had 22 questions dominated by the arithmetic and algebra, out of which 14 questions are MCQ types and 8 questions are the non-MCQ type. So these are the details of the questions, and whenever we are talking about the score awarded for each correct answer, so each student will get +3 marks for each correct answer, and there is a negative marking applicable for wrong answer in the MCQ, -1. So you can see that this one is the 1/3 of the total marks. So these are the number of questions. So after knowing the number of questions, again we have to know the further point, and the further point of this analysis is the difficulty level. So students, all of you, whenever you are going to start preparation for any exams, then it is our suggestion you must have to know the difficulty level of the CAT. So especially in the CAT 2021, there is a little bit easier difficulty. What are the main points? The CAT 2021 graded the test takers with different difficulty, which varies in each slot. So in CAT 2020, we have we had the different differences in the difficulty, but Slot 1 was the easier, slot 2 was a little bit tougher than the slot 1, and the slot 3 was the more difficult than the slot 1 and slot 2. But here the trend has changed and difficulty level which varies in each slot. So we have the different difficulty level which varies in each slot. Whenever we are talking about the overall difficulty levels of the paper, then we can say that moderate to difficult. And nature of the questions was similar to the last year. So again, if you are preparing for the CAT 2022, you must have to concentrate on the previous year question papers for getting the accurate difficulty, because the nature of the questions was similar to the last year. Okay, so after knowing this difficulty level, see what is the next point of the analysis. So when we see the next point of the analysis, so here we are going to provide you the section wise analysis. And whenever we are talking about the section wise analysis, so in section 1, which is known as the VARC, as we have already told you, from RC we had the maximum number of questions. So we have exactly 16 questions from the reading comprehension, and we have 8 questions from the verbal ability. The reading comprehension passage were based on the following themes. So right now here we are going to mention the theme of the reading comprehension. The passage 1 is known as the cattle pace, self-control of food. The passage 2 has the known as the tea history. The passage 3, mind personality, and the passage 4, utopia. So whenever we are planning for the next year, so definitely you must have to know the categorization of the reading comprehension. If you are knowing all these points, then definitely it will give you a boost. It will give you a kick for the CAT preparation. So again, after knowing the VA and RC, see what is the analysis of the second section. And the second section, when we see the second section is the DI and LR. And students, here is a surprising thing to you. In CAT 2020, we have more questions from the data interpretation, but in the CAT 2021, we have less questions from the data interpretation and more questions from the LR. So the number of questions from the DI was 8, and the number of questions from the LR was 12. And when we are talking about the data interpretation, so the type of data interpretation questions, all questions were based on the 2 set. We have the 2 sets, and each set followed by the 4 questions. So definitely you can see that we have the 8 questions in the DI. And whenever we are talking about the LR, again, in the LR based questions, again, all questions were based on the 2 sets. Again, we have the exactly 2 sets, and each followed by the 6 questions. Then we can see that we have exactly 12 questions from the DILR. So after DILR, we have to know the concept, we have to know the details of the quant, that means the section 3. So whenever we are talking about the section 3, so in section 3, we have exactly 22 questions, as we have already discussed in the number of questions. And whenever we are talking about the nature of questions, types of the question, then see the highlights of the quant is the quants was easy with direct formula application. So students, we always know it very well. CAT always asks us questions which based on the application of the concept. But in this year, we have some questions which are based on the direct formula application. And concept-based questions, the concept-based question is the key point of the CAT. So what you can say that quants was easily with the direct formula application with and concept-based questions dominated by the arithmetic and little numbers and algebra. So we have seen in the last 5 years, in the last year and 7 years, arithmetic is always in the dominating role. So again, if you are preparing for the CAT 2022, so you must have to keep a good confidence, good command in the arithmetic portion. The questions based on the Venn diagram were tough. So students, this one is a very good topic, logical as well as the mathematical topic. So especially in the CAT 2021, we have some questions and the label of that questions were tough. We have some questions from the Venn diagram and the label of all those questions from the Venn diagram were tough. Geometry saw lesser visibility. The number of questions geometry was less, just 3 to 4 questions. And the modern maths was negligent in the paper. So again, you can say that this one is the surprising thing in the CAT 2021. We haven't seen any questions from them, and we have seen any questions from the modern mathematics. So these are the details of the quant. After knowing the details of the quant, then see the next point of this analysis is the students' feedback. So students, as you all know, the CAT tutorials is one of the good center in the Delhi that provides the online as well as the offline classes. So based on our students' feedback, we are going to provide you a table based on the feedback received from the several candidates who appeared in the CAT 2021. Our initial estimate of the scores and percentiles are as follows. These are the percentile. So if you are planning for, if you are expecting 99.5 percentile, then for this you must have to secure about 98. So what is the breakup of the 98? In VARC, you must have to secure about the 43. In DILR, you must have to secure about 33. In quant QA, you must have to secure about the 42. So you can see that if our overall score is the 98, so we can expect that we have the 99.4 percentile. So these are the analysis of the scores based on our candidates' feedback. Suppose whenever we are talking, if we are expecting the 90 percentile, so if we are expecting the 90 percentile, so how can you get the 90 percentile? If you will get 25 scores, about 25 scores in the VA and RC, 17 scores in the DI and LR, 21 scores in the quant section. And if you have the overall scores about the 56, then you can say that you can get the 90 percentile. So students, here we are providing you the complete tables. You can judge your performance. You can check your performance by checking your number of attempts, by checking the number of correct answers. So definitely this table will give you a lot of suggestion, a lot of confidence. And after this table, right now I am going to provide, these tables are based on the feedbacks of our centers. And right now I am going to provide, after from the expert team of our center, we are going to provide, if we have to perform, these are the tables, and the analysis of this point is, if our overall prediction for 95 to 98 percentile, you can say that what are the good attempts, what should be the accuracy level, so that you can get a good percentile overall prediction for 95 to 98 percentile. So see, what is the table? The table below displays the required good attempts in CAT with accuracy level needed for 95 to 98 percentile range. So these are the name of the sections. In VARC, if we have attempted 13 to 15 questions, then you can say that this one is a very good attempt, but you have to maintain the accuracy level of 85. Then we can predict the raw score of the 30 from 34 to 38. Likely percentile in CAT will be, in CAT 2021 will be the 95. If we are talking about the section 2 DILR, then you can say that if you had solved 8 to 10 questions, then you can say that this one is a good attempt, and accuracy level in this section should be the 90, and we can expect the raw score from 26 to 30. And again, you can say that the likely percentile in CAT 2021 is the 95. The section 3, that is the QA, the good attempt is 14 to 16, accuracy level is 85. You can see that the raw score is the 95 to 40, and the likely percentile is how much? The likely percentile is 95. And overall, if we have attempted 35 to 41 questions and we had maintained the accuracy of 85, then we can expect a raw score from the 95 to 108. And again, we can say that we have a 95 percentile. So students, these are the analysis based on the conclusion of all the very good institutes. So that's why we have called this one as an overall prediction. And the previous table was the prediction from the our students. And this one is the prediction from all the good coaching centers from in all over India. So I think We have provided the sufficient informations. After this, right now, very soon, we are going to upload the question papers of the CAT 2021. But for this, all of you have to wait. Sometimes this one is the raw analysis of the question papers. Then after this, see what is the next point. So this one is the last point. This one is the last table point of the analysis. So right now, I am going to tell you thank to all of you. And again, here we are going to provide you our contact number. This one is the contact number of our center. And whenever, if you have any doubts regarding to the CAT preparation 2022, you can give a missed call on these numbers. We are conducting so many classes. We are offering so many courses. And again, right now, I'm going to announce to all of you, we are going to provide the free doubt session to each and every questions. It doesn't mean whether you are the students of our center or not. So for booking the doubt session, all of you have to give a missed call on this number. Our number is 7678572230. And this one is our website. You can visit the previous year question papers on our website. And if you want to mail anything through, if you want to write anything through the mail, then you can contact us on this number. So students, thanks to all of you.